Paano ba natin nalalaman ang mga pahayag ng ating Panginoong Diyos? Nagsusugo siya. Tayo ba sa iglesyang ito ay meron tayong sugo? Meron. Ang kapatid na Felix Manalo. Sa kanya nagmula yung dalisay na ebanghelyo na ating tinanggap.
The words of God and of Jesus were already written in the Bible, and in the place that there is no Bible, it could be known that what was being preached is from God and or Jesus if the one who preaching the three-in-one God, yes, even in Quran, it is the three-in-one God, so if anyone preaches that Jesus is only a man, then he doesn't know the true God, as Jesus said, I am the Father, which means the origin, or originator or creator, that is why Jesus said I and the Father are one. God never sent Felix Manalo, for God doesn't send anyone who was transferring from sect to another sect, being baptized in multiple times, contradiction to what Jesus had taught that must only be baptized one time, but was never baptized in his own church he built. Even the man Jesus was baptized in his own church he built. How could anyone be said as anointed, or was sent, if he doesn't know what Christ means?
Ito, yung pangunahing daw aral na sinasampalatayanan ng Iglesia ni Cristo ni Manalo, page 35, sinulat ni Eranio G. Manalo, Leksyon bilang 8. Ang paksa, ang titulo, Kapatid na Felix Manalo, Sugo ng Diyos sa Huling Araw. Iba kasi yung mga huling araw kesa sa huling araw. Pag huling araw, wala nang kasunod. Diba ganon, mga kapatid? Si Manalo raw huling sugo, tapos sugo sa huling araw. Paksa, si kapatid na Felix Manalo, ang sugo ng Diyos sa huling araw. Sabi ko, pagka sa huling araw yan sinugo, matatapos na mundo nun, nahuli ng sugo yan. Ang nakalagay dito, ang huling sugo ng Diyos sa wakas ng lupa. Pahina 7.
If was said last day being mentioned in the Bible, it means the start of God's universal judgment, as this was mainly referring to what Jesus had said no one knows that day except the Father, but it doesn't mean the whole Jesus doesn't know it. But this words must also be understood in other aspect. For in other aspects this didn't mean at the start of Judgment Day itself, like John 6 verse 39, but the fact, during the said last day there are yet 2 prophets that were sent, and those is Zerubbabel and Joshua, as the last and forever prophet is Jesus. The Luke 16 verse 16 it doesn't mean John the Baptist is the last prophet. So also the Matthew 21 verse 37 it doesn't mean here that expressing that Jesus is the last prophet. Everyone knows Jesus is a prophet, so if on the new earth there will be no one to be sent, so this just means Jesus will be forever in the earth, so as he is the last and forever prophet. Now as about the said last days, this word also must be understood as it what the writing is referring for, like the Acts 2 verse 17, as Peter and or John were referring this after the death of Jesus. Male and female, young and old will prophesy, for in the said last days about new earth, there will be only one prophet, and no one will preach, for God had already put his words in the mind and it was written in the heart. Jeremiah 31 verse 33, Hebrews 10 verse 6, as this is about new earth. As all people in the earth will gather to New Jerusalem to worship God and Jesus, worshipping of God and Jesus is of praising, giving thanks, hallowing, as the one and only one God, but to Felix Manalo, as though after Jesus' death was said to be a last days, Acts 2 verse 17, Hebrews 1 verse 2, so as we are already included here, but both as a last prophet, and as a last prophet of the last day, or last day cannot be referable to Felix Manalo, because, never that God sent a prophet who was being baptized in such sects, as Jesus also teaches it must be just one time to be baptized, and no true servants of God patronized sects. And never that Felix Manalo is the last prophet of the last days, or last day, because as was written there were 2 prophets who were sent in the said 1290 days, as this is referring during the time of tribulation, these are Zerubbabel and Joshua. And never that Felix Manalo is the last prophet, because as I've said the last prophet is Jesus.